to thank everybody, all the speakers so far, all our keynotes that participated today, all of our shorter talks, our 2 really fruitful and inspiring discussions, the panel discussions, and of course all of the breakout room sessions. From my side, I would say that I really like this new format that actually was inspired. Okay, I'll give that anecdote. So, in the summer, when we were discussing with Erica what sort of event we're going to put together, actually the plan was to put a much bigger event. We wanted to bring about 500, 600 people together. And then what happened was, we realized that maybe it's not working out, maybe it's not feasible exactly. We actually had already booked another venue. I think maybe some of you already had bought a ticket and saw that actually we moved venues because it was a much bigger venue. We had booked a much bigger venue. We were planning to have like 2 stages, very, very different. And then as I was talking with my friend Christoph Radke, who is actually one of the facilitators, basically, I told him that this is a dilemma. We're not sure we can go ahead with this kind of format. It's too big to manage. It's too short time. And he's actually been doing this kind of master classes for a long time. So he shared with me an idea that he did in Lisbon, at the factory in Lisbon, where he brought, I think 30, is it 30 people together? 20. He brought 20 people together for a masterclass where similarly, they had a very similar structure. I haven't been to that session, so I don't know if it was the same, but basically very similar structure where they also had a couple of discussions that they were inspiring, and then they would also get together and talk about what they discussed in the morning. So that was the inspiration of this. I know that Erica, and I don't know if Erica is here. Hopefully, I don't know. Are you here? Okay, I couldn't see you. So so I know that Erica has actually done a lot of similar events organized in a university setting with more academics. So also with CMU and also with Harvard, as she also mentioned in the beginning. But for me, it was a very new format. And I think what I really like about it is actually it gives the opportunity to everybody to meet it with each other and really digest what's going on. And I feel like, if anything, like when we're talking about AI, from my perspective, like one thing that I see, at least in the way that technology has been moving so fast, is that essentially we are almost consuming all this content, right? And soon by 2026, it will be synthetic data. Everything will be synthesized. Everything will already pre-exist. So I think what's interesting is actually that we're taking like a minute during the day and not only like we take a minute to reflect back on what we've heard, because like there's one sentence can actually make it has a big weight, and sometimes as words are being mentioned, right? But then if you really take the time to reflect, you can really find a lot of little meanings inside one sentence, one expression. So that's from me. I don't know if Erica, do you want to also come to the stage maybe and say a couple of words? Welcome. Okay, there you are. I couldn't see you. All right.
Thank you, Portrait, for your wonderful presentation. Thank you guys for all of your participation today and your attention. And we're so glad that all of you could make it here, and so much of your involvement is the success of the event. We've talked about, in your case, collective intelligence. We've talked about collective action. You know, it really takes a village, as they say, to make amazing things happen. So I appreciate all the time and the energy and the thought that you guys have brought to the table, in addition to the curation that my lovely co-partners have sort of provided for you guys. So thank you guys so much.
Thank you. So, to wrap things up, we have this concluding session just to share some remarks. I don't know if anyone, maybe similarly as it was done in the beginning of the day from the breakout room sessions, anyone wants to come on stage and share something that I put you on the spot here. If they want to share something, also you're welcome to not do anything. And I know, like, if there's no movement in the next 1 minute, that's not gonna happen. But maybe someone wants to come on stage. Okay, this is our program overview. This is our private. All right. So, so yeah, if you don't want to, you don't need to. You already heard the techno music blasting, so we're ready to party, I think. So, again, like I'm gonna say it one more time. You don't want to, right? You don't want to. It's gonna happen tomorrow, though. So you get a pass today, but it's gonna happen tomorrow. Yeah? Yeah? Concluding? Yeah? Okay. Cool. All right. So thank you so much, everybody. Thank you very much, Erica. Thank you to everybody, to the team. I mean, yeah, I'm gonna do this again tomorrow, so I'm not gonna do the Oscar remarks now. But drinks. So we've got drinks downstairs with your name on it. We have beers, we have wine. Please stay around. We're gonna hopefully play some music as well. I hope so. If not, we're just gonna continue talking with each other and getting to know each other. And thank you so much for coming. See you tomorrow.